So it is midterm season. I have two midterms today. Look at the sun. It's like one singular sun ray. Pwede kaya akong humiga sa kalsada?
Yun.
Tingin na ako, kami lang yung nakapi. Ito mga kasabay ko sa jeep, mga hindi din nakapi. Ano pre? Masasagot ka. 12. Nag-aarlaw na tayo. An hour later. Pinasagot ka?
Nakangiti lang.
Wag ka, mataas ka. Kaya yan. 57 items as 2 points yung modified true or false. Sinang ayoko yung modified true or false? Deserve.
Talaga. Maghapon nag-review.
Maghapon ba? Talaga ba? Ayaw lang nakapi.
Okay lang yan. Gagawin nila. Tayo O1 eh. Bakit ba?
Pabida, oh, pabida.
Bida-bida. Pabibo. Trace no? Kami.
Damn, long legs. UTS time.
An eternity later.
Nakakagago. Expected score. 3-8. Ikaw?
Basta line of 3.
Sa line of 3, line of 4. Ayoko nang pag-usapan yan. Huwag mo nang pag-usapan yan.
Pero may ihem. May ihem. Patamaan.
Tumak. Bakit ikaw hindi ka tumak? Bye. I looked rough. That second midterm was like, apart from questioning my intelligence as a person, it questioned my whole existence. What the fuck was that? And the professor said, oh, if you study the quiz, the midterms will be easy. To our professor in that subject, in that course, I love you so much that I still can't move on, but I have to move on because that's how college works. Just bumawi na lang susunod. Do not judge. Okay, we only taste. It's like, it's runny and shit. There's cheese and ketchup on it. Ah!
Later that same evening. Day 2.
It is Tuesday the next day and my exam is at 1 p.m. So I have the whole morning to do practice problems and hopefully that is enough. Laying on the bed. Nothing is going inside my brain right now. Eating.
Di ako makapag-review sa bahay and I really need to review, so we're gonna go outside. Order na kayo?
Iwan.
To save.
Basta pag-kamay. Spaceship. Sinasab ko yung spaceship. Oo nga, ari nga. Okay na.
Ano? Bakit? Alright! Alright! Di ko tanda. Yun, 4 over 5. Over something.
Check this shit out, chat.
Sasanggip tayo. Sa siglan sa magsasagot.
10-5 sa ano.
Oo.
Kukuhanan pa ng pera eh.
Going home.
Floor time is mandatory because I hate commuting in the afternoon. It's so hot.
Day 3.
Unigiri. Malang ko magtanggal nito. Samshu. Init.
Basta mahal ka ng tao lang.
Siya ng pleasure principle kumbaga. Kasi kumbaga yun yung impulsive side mo.
70 years later.
Ayoko na.
And alone and believing I will stand with you between the heavens and the earth. I will tell you where you are. Do you love me? I love you.
Day 4.